This video we've got a drone laying queen. So quite often when you see lots of drones like that, most often it's laying workers. But in this case, we've got a queen in here that's not been mated or not been mated properly. It's probably because of a lack of drones in the neighborhood, I think. Anyway, there she is. My purpose for getting in this hive right now was to harvest some drones for fish bait, but they haven't emerged yet. And also this scenario with drones, lots of drones emerging, will be easier to fix because they've got a queen, they don't have a lot of laying workers. So I just take the old queen out, put in a new queen or a queen cell, and we'll fix it.